Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Honor X6b. We got the two options. The first one is through the settings, so now simply go into settings, scroll down and click on System and Updates. And now find the reset option. Now click on Reset Phone and the Reset Phone button over here. Please remember that all your data will be lost, so create a backup if you want to restore it later. And now if you simply click on Reset Phone, the phone will be turned off, and after a while you need to set it up. Okay. And the second option is using the recovery mode. So now how to do this? Simply turn off the phone by holding the power button, which is over here, and now click on power off. Okay, let's wait a little bit, let the phone rest. Okay, and how to enter the recovery mode? All you need to do is to hold the power button and the volume up button until the Honor logo shows up on the screen. So click and hold. Okay, keep holding. Okay, I think we can release our fingers. Hold. And as you can see, now we are in the recovery mode. And now how to move on this menu. If you click the volume down button, you simply go down. If you click volume up, go up. That's pretty simple. And if you want to select something, just accept it by clicking the power on button. So now we want to go into clear data and the factory reset. Now we need to type the word yes. Now keyboard. Now volume up, power button, factory reset. And now the process is started, so you need to wait a little bit. Okay, it has finished. Now click on back and now restart. So in a while the phone will be turned on back again and you will need to set it up. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.